you guys, I'm Stacy and this is Gorgeously Aging. Thank you so much for joining me today. You guys, today we're talking about the benefits of red LED light for pain and joint stiffness. I have Hashimoto's disease, so joint stiffness is always an issue for me, especially in the knees and hips. So I have pretty much constant joint pain in those areas. Sometimes the ankles even are affected. And it's been going on since for the last 20 some years. I had my thyroid removed in 2000 and was diagnosed with Hashimoto's disease. And since then I've had issues with joint pain. So I'm a big advocate for red LED light for the skin. I use it every day on my face. I use the Current Body LED mask and I will list that in the description box below. But I did want a larger LED component for joint pain in my knees and hips. I have also used this on my lower back, and my daughter's boyfriend has tried it, and I really love it for the lower back as well. So this LED light panel here is from Nova Lab, and it's just, you plug it in, push up a button, and the LED lights up. It does have a Velcro strap, so you can strap it around your waist if you're treating your lower back. I usually put it on my hip. I'm laying on my side, and I kind of just hold it there. But you can use it on so many parts of the body. So if you want to treat your neck for anti-aging benefits, you could also lay this over your neck and chest. I have been using it on my hips with really good results. Now this is different than like a face LED in that it does warm up, so it gives a soothing little heat to the skin. It doesn't get hot where it burns the skin, it just gets nice and warm. So let's just talk about the benefits of red LED light for pain reduction. After that, I'll recap some of the LED benefits for the skin. So red LED light therapy uses photobiomodulators, and that helps trigger cell healing, but also delivers red and near infrared light into the skin. Now the penetration of this deep into the skin creates a anti-inflammatory response, and that really helps with the inflammatory joint pain. Red LED light helps to restore cell function, but also improve circulation. There are tons of studies that help to show that red LED light has benefits in healing wounds, helping with rashes and soothing pain. In addition to joint pain that I'm prone to, I also get eczema. So when I do get an eczema flare-up, I just lay the light panel over the affected area. For me, that tends to be on my arms, and then I'll just take the light panel, because it is flexible, and I'll just hold it over the affected area for about 10 minutes. Doing this several days in a row really helps cut down on that psoriasis or eczema. So red LED light on the skin helps to stimulate collagen, which we need as we age. It helps to improve wound healing, and people who have had surgeries and skin resurfacing also have a really good response to healing with the addition of red LED light. Just like on the body, it improves inflammation, helps to heal bruises, and speeds up the recovery process. Red LED light is great after microneedling or any type of facial treatment. You just want to be aware not to lay it directly against the skin after a treatment. This is where the light units that come above your face, like a table light unit, comes in handy. That's personally what I use after microneedling. So if you're suffering from any kind of pain, I would definitely try a light unit. The key is consistency. I always review products for a good while before I come on camera and let you guys know what I think about it. I do really like this. It's soothing. I do feel like I'm really getting benefit as far as pain reduction in my hips and knees. I've definitely seen an improvement in my eczema when I've used it when I've had an eczema flare-up. I will list this unit in the description box below. It's pretty cost effective. And if you're somebody that struggles with pain or skin irritation, it's definitely worth the money. I've spent thousands of dollars on creams for eczema, and I feel like the red LED light helps the most. If you've tried red LED light on joint pain or skin conditions, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thank you so much for joining me today. Sending you all virtual hugs. I will see you in my next video.